What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video, going to do the unboxing and installation of this magnetic knife holder. As you can see right here, they come in this box. So basically you have the instruction on the box right here that you can follow to install this. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to basically install it, what comes in by the package and so forth. So I'm just going to unbox it right now so you guys see. Come in this box right here. I'm gonna pull it up here. So inside the box we have the magnetic knife holder right here. So you can see, I think there's some adhesive tape on the back that it doesn't require you to hold any hole on your wall. So let's see. So we have a user instruction right here that you can basically follow. Some cardboard. So we have something in here. So we have some screw if you decide to actually bore your wall. So basically that's inside the box. So let's see what's inside this right here. So inside this we have some handles, some little handles that can go on it. So looking something like this, and right here we have the foam tape right here. So there are two types of installation. You can install it with the screw right here, which shows you that you can basically measure it first, the hole which is on the back right here. You can measure it and you can place your screw inside the wall. You can basically bore a hole and you can basically put it on onto it right here. But for this installation, I'm not going to use the screw. I'm also going to use the B installation, which is the magnetic strip. I'm going to strip it on and show you guys basically how it works. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my tape right here which comes inside the pack. I'm going to just peel it off. I'm going to just paste it on, and yeah, like so. You can see basically peel off quite fine. So right here I'm just going to place it onto it right here. You can see guys, now I put on the tape onto the back right here, make sure that it's perfectly fit onto it quite fine. So as you can see, now I'm gonna pull off this tape now, just on the back part of this, so it can stick on the wall just like so. Bam, so now I'm peel it off. So I'm gonna find a perfect spot to basically put this up so I can place it on the wall. Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna place it on the wall right now. As you can see right here, I'm just going to place it right here, right up here. Sure it is neat. So as you can see right here, it's now placed on the wall, looking pretty neat. So here we have some hook right here that comes on it. So basically I can just attach these on, and I can basically attach some utensils on it like this. As you can see right there, these are what basically can hook your fork, your spoon into place. Magnetic is very strong, as you can see right there. Hook them on it. So I basically can have some more equipment attached to it right here. You can see some more equipment attached to it right there. As you can see right there guys, now I can use some of my utensils like my knife. I can stick onto right there, looking perfect fine. Just gonna test it out so you guys see the idea of how this basically work on the wall. Looking pretty great, easily to install, as you guys can see right here. So I hope you guys find this very helpful.